Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing the latest Cognizant Gen C interview experience. And guys, this interview experience is of a mechanical student, or you can say a non-CSIT interview experience. Guys, this is the 17th Gen C interview experience that I'm making on this channel. If you want to see rest of the videos, all of those videos have already been uploaded on my playlist. That is Cognizant Gen C playlist of 2021 and 2022. Let me just show you. It is just opening. So this is the playlist. This is the 19th Gen C interview experience that I'm covering on this channel. So guys, if you are preparing for the interviews and if you have your interviews in coming days, kindly visit this playlist and watch every video, because many questions gets repeated from both CSIT department also as well as non-CSIT department also. And guys, one more thing, yesterday also many of you had queries that they have got the interview slot but the interview is not happening, and many more queries were there. So for that also I have made a video yesterday only, in which I have discussed that what are all the queries that you have and how you can solve those queries. So again, do watch that video also. This is the video that you will have to watch. So guys, now let's start this video, and before starting a video, please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel. This video is sponsored by the Relevel platform by Unacademy. It is India's largest hiring platform and big companies are hiring through this platform this year. You can also get a job up to 15 LPAs through this platform. There are different domains which are present on this particular platform. That is, there is business development role, front-end development role, back-end development role, business analytics as well as data analytics. Guys, this hiring is completely free. You will just have to visit the site or the app that they have just launched. The link of the site as well as the app are in the description box. You will just have to visit this app and you have to choose the role in which you are confident in, or in which you want to build your career, and just you have to select on this particular role. And you can also see that what is the test structure and the pattern of the test that they will be taking, and you can also check out the syllabus by downloading this brochure that is given to us. And guys, after you have decided that which role you will have to give, you will have to book your slot on which date you are free and you want to give the test. Once you have booked your slot, then you can register here for completely free, and your test, you can see that slot has been booked successfully. And if you face any issues while registering for the test, they also have the help section in the app wherein you can raise the concerns. Okay, so guys, the date of the interview was 9th November 2021, that is today only. The branch of my friend was mechanical. The duration of the entire interview was 10 minutes. There were total 7 questions which were asked from my friend, and 3 were from core subjects of mechanical and 4 were from CSIT background questions. So first question was, tell me about yourself. So guys, this will be a very important question in your interviews. It can decide that which will be the next question that can be asked from you. So guys, kindly do not lie in about yourself and mention only those things in which you are comfortable in. You can mention your projects, internships, extracurricular activities, hobbies, all these things you can mention, but only mention those things in which you can answer and you are comfortable in. So I hope this question is clear to you. Next is, can we define pointers as null? Yes, we can define pointers as null because it will be pointing to a null memory location. So I hope this question is also clear to you. Next is, what is the difference between array and linked list? So guys, we all know the basic difference between array and linked list is that in arrays the elements are stored in contiguous memory location, that is one after the other, whereas in linked list the elements are not stored in the contiguous memory location, they are stored in different memory locations. And there is the structure of the linked list is that it contains one node, where in that node data is also present as well as the address pointer to the next node is also present. This is the major difference between array and linked list. Okay, now next is, what are command line arguments? So guys, command line arguments are the parameters supplied to the program when it is invoked. They are used to control program from outside instead of hard coding those values inside the code. So when the program is invoked, then only these arguments are provided. So you can say that arguments are provided at the runtime. So I hope this question is clear to you. Next is, do you know anything about current trending technologies? So guys, please at least have some basic knowledge of the newest technologies that are going on, machine learning, big data, all these things. Just a single paragraph, single line, you must know about these technologies, because these type of questions are definitely asked in an interview, that are you aware of any trending technologies or not. So I hope this question is clear to you. Now guys, the next 3 questions were based on the core subjects of mechanical. So question was, what is hydrology? Next is, what is modular ratio? And next last question is, what is 3R approach and explain in brief? So these are all the questions which were asked from this candidate. So we have seen that the questions related to basic CSIT questions are also asked, as well as the course related questions are also asked. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and it will help you in preparing for your interviews. And guys, if you want more such videos, you can definitely check out my channel, as well as I will be posting more such videos in future. So kindly subscribe it, as well as join my Telegram groups also. All the links are in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.